Hey guys, today we're going to use this Era buck from Buren. You're going to see there is a roller included. That red tray is not included. So first we wash the back of the bucky. So this is one of those work trucks here in South Africa. We did do a small sample here on the side just to see how thick the product is. We did wash the back. We did put this red NS5. They said you can use it as a primer on the areas where we need it. So we're leaving it to dry. Here you're gonna see it looks like a kind of oil, but they say this is a polyurethane product. So we're gonna use now the roller. So this is the first coat. You're gonna see there's a lot of red sticking out. That back piece where the red was shining, that whole area was rusted. This is why we're doing this. This is about a half an hour after the product was applied. It's starting to get hard, but when you're gonna push a lot of pressure on it, it will come loose. So this is more like it needs to activate. It's almost like a hardener that needs to activate before you can use this bucky. So this is how it looks with the first coat. You can see there's a lot of red sticking out. Let me show you the main worries I had in the bucky. This is where the sand, as a contractor, there's a lot of sand getting stuck there. There's a lot of water going into the back, and then it just sits at one point. You can see those big holes. So we had big issue there. We grinded that whole area open, made sure everything that was loose, everything that was rusted is out, and this is how it's looking with this first coat. So this is the next morning. As you guys can see, it's a lot harder, but still, when you're gonna put something on it and you move it up and down, it will remove this coating. It's not all the way. It didn't dry all the way, but as you can see, it is a lot better. We actually need to go quickly to a job site. So we went to the job site, we came back. We're gonna mix now quickly. You see there, those particles at the bottom is starting to lift. It's lying down. So you need to mix it about 2 to 3 minutes to get everything out. Alright guys, so the first coat was with the roller, but we never painted this piece because the primers needed to dry and the rust buster treatment needed to do its work there. So here we're just coming in with the brush, and the second coat we're gonna tap it with the brush. We're not gonna use the roller again. Try to tap it in all those small nooks and crannies, make sure you can get it everywhere in. But as you can see, it's not like a black paint. It's in, and there's those black particles, but the main color is almost a varnished type of color, you can see. So here we're tapping it. You can see there it is starting to close all those red areas. It's getting a lot thicker now, and with the tapping it's just making a thicker coat that I believe will be much stronger. As you guys can see, most of the backside is done. It's just a small part now, so there's still a little bit left, but you guys will see now. This is now completely the backside. We didn't do the sides again. It's only the flat part there. Here's still a few spots open, as you can see there, the white spots everywhere. And there's not a lot of product left, but this is the kit. It was about 1,350 at Builders Warehouse. There you will see it's about half a liter, more or less, maybe a little bit less, that is left in the can. So now the tailgate is also done. So it's the tailgate and the flat part of the buck. The sides got one coat, they didn't get 2 coats. There won't be enough for a second coat over there. But here you'll see there's still that little bit red left there in the corner. There's still maybe another 50 milliliters left. I think I can do some spot painting over that to close it. This is the next morning. So it is a bit harder. It feels much stronger, but still I wouldn't recommend you putting bricks or anything on top of it. You can feel it's soft. It doesn't come loose when I wipe my hand over it, but it is still soft. So definitely if you put something on there and you're going to move it up and down, it will remove the coating. But this is how it's looking. Let's just go around, and you can see there where the holes are. So guys, if you want to see an update in a month's time of how this product works, please like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.